Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So today is Monday and I wanted to do a quick natural beat from like everyday makeup, work makeup. So if you want to see how that turns out, keep on watching. I already washed, moisturized, and primed my face, and I did my eyebrows. So now is the face application. So let's get into it. I want one that's fresh. Oh, and then I gotta do my moles, because I have a mole right here, a mole right here, and a mole right here. Just and my makeup always covers it up. I like to show my natural beauty mark of her. So yeah, as you can see, like I have one like right here, and one right here, and one right here, and the makeup is covering it up. I normally only just do this one because ain't nobody gonna really believe I got 3 moles by my eyes. Then you can see, you probably can't even see that one. Let me just draw this shit. That one right here. The makeup covers it up, but always remember to draw it myself. And then I have one right here that's covered up. I normally don't do that one because who's gonna believe that it's really one there when my makeup is covering it up. So yeah, anyway, this is the final look. So I hope you guys like it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys later.